Yeah. The reason why I called you people here today is because of you people. You are this thing. When you people are sleeping in night, those things you used to do. When you are firing, that you are firing. I don't like the sound that you people are.
Which one is firing?
Yeah. I'm not talking to you. Yeah, elder. If you want to have ringtone, can't you have something light? Something like you can call mommy. I know you can call mom, but how can you be saying Hamadi hi? You call something light. Do you want to burn my house? And then Ishi, Max, that's your own. I don't know the relationship between you and Starboy. How you be saying Starboy?
Landlady, come on, hello. Me say Starboy. How? When?
Yes, now you are calling Starboy, so I don't know how.
You are calling my name.
Was I calling your name?
Dream or where?
Me.
And then Starboy. Even your own is disturbing me. How can somebody you are coming and you be singing song? How can you be singing song? You are coming. Are you doing morning mass, evening mass, or midnight mass? How can you be singing? Find soundtrack like oh yeah, or something.
Is it not a song?
Why will you be singing song and you are coming?
A song?
Why can you be coming and you are singing song?
You are calling my name.
Yeah, you people, I don't want this because that thing is turning me. I don't know, it's not turning me on. It's disturbing me when I'm sleeping. Are you keke? Your own, I don't understand. Maybe it's because you are driving keke. That's why you be saying, okay. If is the woman keke? Or is she a fuka?
I don't suffer for your harm, Madam Landlady.
You don't suffer?
What thing I do you now? How you take knock everybody's soundtrack? You know they sleep for night.
Is it your business if I'm is it your house? Am I not doing
your soundtrack, uncle?
Oh!
After using ginger.
Borrow me your stick. It's like you don't have respect. You don't have respect. You see you and that your keke?
Please leave my Starboy alone.
You said what?
Don't you use Dindo?
You're asking me if I use Dindo. You're asking me if I use Dindo.
If I use Dindo, you'll be doing.
Thank you.
That is what you do.
So me like my landlady is a ghost.
You're telling me that I'm doing what?
You're using Dindo.
You're using Dindo.
You're using Dindo.
Yeah, the two of you dismiss. The two of you dismiss. If you people don't change your soundtrack in this compound, if you don't change your soundtrack in this compound, if I see you people in my dream again, what I will do to you? Hi. Oh, hi, this is my engine. Hi.